halted starting Wednesday. Shots of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine will be postponed. The Ministry of Health says shipment delays and dwindling supply have forced the decision. But the health minister is insisting there is no need for alarm. Giovanni Dennis has been monitoring the Ministry of Health's press conference and now reports.
The announcement comes against the background of a rush for the Pfizer vaccine, the brand the government had initially earmarked for children between 12 and 18 years. The target of 65% vaccination for that age group has not yet been met, but this announcement from the health minister today.
Beginning tomorrow, September 15th, 2021, the administration of the Pfizer vaccine will be postponed until a second shipment arrives from the United States. And this is expected to happen within the next 2 to 3 weeks.
More than 40,000 students, along with other Jamaicans, were given a first jab of the Pfizer vaccine. The usual time frame between first and second doses of this brand is 3 weeks, but that wait time may be doubled because of shipment delays.
The World Health Organization recommendations on the administration of the Pfizer second doses gives consideration to the second dose being given within 3 to 6 weeks after the first dose and up to 12 weeks in some instances. And we will therefore delay the second dose, and we are anticipating somewhere around 6 weeks.
But with many already lamenting the postponement of their second Pfizer jab, the health minister was unable to say exactly when a second Pfizer shipment will arrive.
We know that persons would have now reached their 3-week period, which is what was advocated in the prior to the Pfizer being administered. We did expect to get a second shipment based on the agreements we had with the U.S. and anticipated that shipment arriving in time to administer second dose. Having said that, those discussions are taking place. We have not yet been given a firm date, and so we wanted to make this announcement, but also to provide the technical guidance and to reassure the public that there is some time remaining that one can wait to get the second dose.
In the meantime, the minister gave an update on the Pfizer distribution so far.
We are now near completion of the administration of the more than 200,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine that were shipped to Jamaica from the United States last month. Up to 12 noon today, some 179,915 doses of the Pfizer had been administered. Of that number, some 143,039 were first doses and 36,876 were second doses. The expectation is that by tomorrow, by end of day today, we would have used up the just over 28,000 remaining doses.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.